Go up onto there and tell us your talent.
On your name tag, dummy.
Right, I'm gonna be singing.
Alright, let's
Yeah,
go.
I'm gonna be singing.
Alright, let's hear it. Let's hear it.
I don't know what song to sing. Hang on.
Just sing any song that comes to mind.
Why did it cheat? What the?
Come on. Hurry up.
Silence.
I can go invisible.
2, 1.
I'm just Ken. Anywhere else I'd be a 10. What will it take for her to see the man behind the tent and fight for me? I'm such a good singer. Anyways.
What do you rate that out of 10?
I rate that like
7.
7 out of 10.
I would
Okay,
rate it a
what's the
5.
plot?
So you got 12 points. You got 12 points. So remember 12. Now Daisy09,
I don't want to be
you're up
mean here.
next. You're up next.
Bro, my name is not Daisy09. Look.
It says
I was gonna
Daisy09.
say Daisy09 on your
But
user.
I thought, no, I need to be.
Bro, I swear I changed it.
One sec, I need to do something real quickly.
Ziggy,
stop the timer.
It's too flexible. My talent is flexible. Like I can spin my hand, and I can also control it
Whoa.
without even controlling it.
Yeah, me too. I can spin my
Wow.
hand.
Wow.
Yo, it's so
Wow.
cool that I can do the same.
Yeah, me too.
Wow.
All I'm doing
This
is
an
holding onto
amazing
my
talent.
Oculus controller.
Okay,
Wow,
It's
my
what do you
hand is
rate
so
that? What do you rate
flexible.
that?
Totally.
This number with a 2.
So 5?
This number with a
Five?
2.
But that's slow.
I
No.
rated
Wait,
a 3.
But why? No, spin it on the right like that.
You got 8. You got
difficult.
8. So remember 8.
Yeah, I'm in the lead.
Okay,
Me and my non-existent
you rate
talent.
me-
Leo,
3?
you're up next.
You reach me. Hey.
Silence,
But are
everybody.
we gonna do another round
what?
after?
Since Hamza Hamza was being mean to me, I'm gonna go with a 3.
No, I wasn't.
Okay, let's just
I
you.
wasn't mean.
Go.
What did I do?
What's your talent for today?
Bro, I'm kind.
Go back, please. Go back, please.
What's your talent?
Alright, jeez. You still get a 5.
I rate that a 2. You get a 7. So you're right now the.
What did he do?
He just went.
Bro, my talent
The-
is to change size. Guys, look at me.
That sucks. Everybody knows how to do that. Okay, everybody knows how to do that.
Hello.
What's the
Let me
rest of
find
your
Everybody knows how to do that.
My talent is to change my voice. Hello.
Hello.
Still, you get your number.
Hello.
Bro, can you just do your stupid talent? Can it
Yeah.
be cringe?
It can be cringe at
Come
all.
on, just keep doing it.
Any cringe.
We
Do
can
it.
do it. Oh, I will kill you.
2,
Buckle my shoe.
3, 4,
That's not talent.
5, 6. Nike kick. No, Mr. Beast kicks.
7, 8, Andrew Tate, 9, 10. Do it again.
I'm just doing.
I rate
Okay.
it
I'm
like,
doing the gritty, bruh.
I rate
7
it
7 out of
8
10. 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10. What?
8.5.
I'm doing the gritty.
7 out of 10. What did you rate?
I
What,
rated-
what do you
How
rate
much
him?
is this?
I rated.
Hey, chill,
I'm
chilly.
hitting the gritty.
Chillish. Hey, you.
I'm hitting
you.
the gritty.
I
Wait,
rated
wait.
a
How much is that? How much is this?
5,
How much is it?
7. You got 12.
I'm hitting
How
the
much
gritty.
is this?
go.
Please just sit back
Bro,
down.
how much
Okay.
does this?
Sit back down, Daisy9. You're in my
June,
face.
did you go, June? June,
Did you go?
did you go?
Bro, he didn't.
Go and do your talent.
Alright, come on. Let's show your talent.
Oh, I was talking.
Okay, do your talent.
Show us your talent again.
Your talent.
Talent, talent, talent.
Talent.
Hey, how much this cost?
Yes, you got this.
Over 1,000? It costs over 1,000.
Okay, what's your
I'll
talent?
go buy
I
it,
can.
okay?
This is pathetic, but I can
need-
sing an ABC.
Can I go?
That's all I can think right now. A B C D E F G H I
H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you let me eat your eyeballs?
Alright, the
A
eat your
3.
eyeballs part was a little bit too.
3.
That was a little bit too creepy. That was
3.
a little bit too creepy, so I give it like a 4.
Bro, you're too funny. Bro,
I gave it
too
3.
funny. You funny.
So you got 7, sorry.
What?
I give it a 4
It's
because I
still
don't want to be
funny,
too
though.
rude.
It's still funny,
I don't,
though.
I
got
don't
it
think
back.
that's rude, but
Okay,
But
so
I'm gonna just-
right now,
yo,
Bitch.
can I friend you on
I decided
Oculus
I'm
real
gonna
quick?
play songs.
Me?
Cause like we
Later.
got over with
Not you.
Please, me.
I'm playing songs.
okay, you're going and then you're going. Go. Go and do
Alright.
your second.
And
What
then
did you get
after you're
this
going.
round?
I got, he said 3 plus 2, and you said, I don't know, you told me I got 8, and he said 3 plus 2, how?
So,
He means 5, and you,
and I got, like 3 or something. So you got 8, and you got 7.
yeah, you gave me 3,
So,
That cost 1,200?
go and do your talent, Daisy. Or Hamza, I mean.
Again?
Go do
Hamza.
Go do your talent again.
I have another talent.
Alright, Chili GT.
Do it later.
Chili GT. Chili GT.
Okay, sing along with no.
He said 3 plus 2, and you said, I don't know, you told me I got 8, and he said 3 plus 2, how?
So,
He means 5, and you,
and I got, like 3 or something. So you got 8, and you got 7.
yeah, you gave me 3,
So,
That cost 1,200?
go and do your talent, Daisy. Or Hamza, I mean.
Again?
Go do
Hamza.
Go do your talent again.
I have another talent.
Alright, Chili GT.
Do it later.
Chili GT. Chili GT.
Okay, sing along with no.
I can't stop laughing. Oh, let me start. This way.
Wait, if you two team up together, if you sing with June, you both can get the same amount of points. So,
I can't do this guy.
okay,
Yo,
Leo,
my
you go.
Oculus is slowly-
You go.
Sing after Giat for Rizzle.
You're so skibbity.
Oh, can we do like team?
Yo, my
team
Oculus
talent?
is slowly dying, bro.
I just
Can we do team talent?
Yo.
Like 2 people do a talent and
Yo, what
in
song
a
are we
team?
singing? Honestly, I kind of just want to listen to my music
Yo.
and
You know astronaut in the
Yo,
ocean?
what are those? What are those, man? What are those?
Boxers? No. This same
You. Okay, go. You
Save
you
the
two
knees.
can do a talent.
as a song.
You two can do a talent.
This one, this. Okay, we see like this row. Okay.
I have
3,
no idea.
2, 1.
Money at my booty.
June Chili GT. I want a heartburn. Roadster.
I don't know the song.
I wanna put
Bro.
money in the booty. Booty.
Hey, heartburn.
wanna
Now
put
a
some
Chili
money on
GT.
booty.
Hey, what a heartburn. Needs Chili GT.
I rate
Literally
I
smashing,
rate that
bro.
a 10 out of 10. What do you rate that?
I rate that an 11 out of 10.
Yay!
Impossible rating.
So far you're in the lead. Nothing's gonna be. You're more than 30.
Handshake. I'm the winner.
And
Oh, you're doing this? I know this. I'm the best. Give
And-
me handshake. Oh, I know this thing.
And
Yo,
you,
You're instantly
Bro, I
winning.
got
You
the
already
highest
have
score.
100.
Hey, June,
Yo,
I
Leo,
got the
you
highest
already have
score.
100, bro.
Just because I said you
now have
got the highest score.
so
You
you,
have over. You
got-
over what I needed.
Chili,
you got,
chili, bro.
Tell him your rating, and then I'll tell him my
this.
rating.
What's
So
your
for-
YouTube channel?
for Leo, what do you rate Leo for?
I'm gonna suck your carrot.
100.
I'm gonna rate you, 5,
Yo,
5.
what is your YouTube channel called?
A 7 out of 10.
Mama.
I'll tell you that later. Okay, you, June. June, it's time for your talent.
Troll in the end? Are you fizzy?
No, I'm not Fizzy.
No, he's not busy, bro.
Do I sound like Fizzy?
I think
I don't have the finger
No.
painter badge.
well, there it is. This guy has it. I think I saw it on YouTube, but maybe you're lying and you're
I
not.
have finger painter.
Check Fizzy. Make sure you also check Chili GT
I also
later.
have it. Look.
Okay,
Look, I have it.
June,
That's
June,
not finger painter.
June, it's time for your talent.
Yeah,
It's not finger painter. That's
Come
not
up here.
finger
Not
painter.
finger
Just that
You
song,
have it. Look.
if that's your talent, you know what? I'm gonna rate this talent a 1,000,000,000 out of 10.
What?
Your talent was a 1,000,000,000 out of 10. That music is
I
great.
got a 21.
Quintuple zillion.
Oh, 2 points.
Yeah, I was just running
One
around.
Google.
I didn't even know I was doing that talent.
So
One Google.
you're still
What do you
probably
talent?
gonna.
Yeah, I just
Alright,
I
it's
just-
my turn.
No,
you're-
you're judge. You're judge. You can't be
Yeah.
doing turns. Sit back down. Okay, what's your talent?
Guys,
Yo,
bye.
you said
I'll
me
go
after.
buy this
You
thing.
said
I
me
just
after
did it.
them.
Okay,
Follow me,
Winners.
follow me.
and the winner is June.
There's a billion and a 2 trillion.
June.
Go.
What do you-
Go.
How do
Go.
you feel about being the winner
Daisy
of
09,
Monkey's
Daisy
Got
09,
Talent?
Jesus, go. Go. You're
don't
not
know.
supposed to be here.
Well, you know
I
what
don't
you
know.
get? At the beginning, I said the winner gets a hug. Here's a hug.
Bro, I also got a 21.
They had better music. And a high five. High five. High five and a knuckle sandwich.
But you not see what I was doing out there? I was just running around and juking random. Just juking air, to be honest.
Bro,
Yeah, that's a great
it
talent.
wasn't him.
Good job.